Here I'm going to forge some Damascus. This is what I'm starting with, 80 CRV2 and 15 N20. These two steels, once I put them all together and forge them out, they'll have contrast in the end. The nickel will still be in lighter color and the 80 CRV2 a darker color. I chose a fairly small bar, so once I cut them into 4-inch pieces, it won't be too hard to make 25 layer billet that I can forge out all by hand. And then 25 layers will be easily multiplied for a clean, even number. My goal is 300 layers in the end. Dogs hanging out. I got this all welded up. I cut them all to 4-inch pieces and I ground them all clean so they'd weld together. And I staggered the different types of metal to 25 layers. I got it all squared up, welded. I'm going to stick in some acetone just so it stays clean. Now I let it get really hot. Nice and easy going along it, making sure all those welds get set in every bit of the layers. Just want to make sure you don't see any cracks forming between them. They all get squeezed together. I'll stick it back in, let it get real hot. Alright, so I got that bar drawn out and I cut it into 4 pieces. So there's 4 pieces of 25 layer billet. So that'll make 100 layers. I'll squeeze it down and cut it again shortly. Alright, here's round 3, 100 layer billet stacked into 3. That'll make my 300 layers. And it's interesting how much material you lose throughout the process. Part of it is because you have to cut the ends off every time. And all that carbon that scales up. So here's the end product. That took me 3 consecutive nights. I listed down everything I have involved. And it's about 9 inches, 1.5 inches wide, and about 1/4 inch thick. I should be able to get 2 hunting knives out of this. I'm going to make another video soon on that. But this is the 4th time I've hand forged Damascus, and I'm hoping it's the last time. Thank you for watching. I'll have more videos soon.